Hey, my little angels, come on in. Come in. Welcome to my studio. I'm excited to show you around. I've made some changes. Can't wait for you to see them. Another thing that I wanted to, well, come in. I put all the seats out in the hall today because we're going to do like a walking tour today, but we'll bring them all in together and then you guys can choose because we have not one, not two, not three, but four hammocks, and they each will fit 3 of you comfortably, 4 if you're friendly, not that friendly. And the rocking chair fits 2 and it'll come up, and I've got all the meditation cushions piled up, so we'll bring those in, and of course our big comfy couch, and I'm going to show you guys it. So I'm excited that you can see it. I also have refreshments downstairs today because I'm trying to do some pre-filming. I realize that on weekends is when I have the most trouble filming. So I'm trying to always have at least 2 I can put in for the weekends so you guys have something, okay? So I have 3 great ideas today that I'm filming. One of them is this one. Another one is a perfume role play fragrance shop that I'm so excited. That one I'm actually going to release today. And then a Temu unboxing, or unbagging really, but anyways. So the refreshments for the day, for the hot beverages, in honor of McDonald's bringing back the lattes, we're going to have lattes. We're having regular lattes. You guys can flavor them however you like, with vanilla, with chocolate, with butterscotch, and a butter pecan. And I have frothers for everybody. Yes, that's my gift today. Everybody gets a frother. And you can make your own. And I have vegan dairy stuff, not dairy, non-dairy. I also have lactose free for those that can't handle the dairy, and dairy. So make yourselves comfortable. We have sugar-free versions of everything, so help yourselves. Great. And for the chilled beverages today, it's my favorite thing to do, and it is the beginning of the year. It's a water bar, and I know. You guys think that's dumb, but we have flat water, which is tap, by the way. But I love when restaurants say flat water. And we have sparkling water. I love effervescence, and flavors. So I have cucumber water, we have strawberry water, we have citrus water. So there's orange, lemon, lime, and clementines in there. It's really good, guys. Really, really good. And just regular. And then I have the accoutrements, which are lemon slices, lime slices, actually all the fruit slices and cucumber. So help yourselves. Lots of ice. We have shaved and cubed. Okay, great. I'm so glad that you guys like that. I thought you might not. Good. And hello, I see we have new people. Guys, we have new little angels. Hello, my new little angels. Thank you so much for being here. Please give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Sharing is caring, after all. If you're silently watching, that's okay. I'm just glad you're here. Welcome. Thank you for being here. But if you're comfortable commenting, please do. We love the comments here. I love to know what you think and you feel, your ideas, your suggestions, your questions, all of it, okay? So keep those coming, and please hit the subscribe button below. Guys, we hit 33,000 last night. 33,000. I'm so excited. So thank you, and hello to all my returning little angels. I love you all so much. I love your support. I love your commitment to me. I love everything. I love that you come and keep me company. I love that you interact with each other in the comments, because I love interacting with you. And I love taking this great big world, because we connect when we interact, and we take this great big world and go and make it smaller. And that's such a good thing, especially now. It's such a good thing. It really is, you guys. And speaking of my returning little angels, I want to show you something that one of my returning angels sent me. So one of my returning angels, Risa, also has an ASMR channel that I absolutely love, Crafty Mama Whispers. She makes DIY. She has the most amazing whisper. If you guys haven't subbed to her, take yourselves over and sub to her, because she is amazing. But Risa sent me some things for Christmas. A beautiful card that is very personal, and I love it. Thank you, Risa. She sent me this, Just a Girl Who Loves Rocks. If you can see, I left it in the container because I love crinkle sound. But I will be keeping a lot of my crystals in here because Risa knows how much I love my crystals. She also knows how much I love my purses. So she sent me this amazing keychain that I can put on my purse, which I'm going to. But for right now, it's in my studio with my other favorite purses. Okay, I love this, Risa. I absolutely love this. And it's, look at that, iridescent pink. The woman knows me. So Risa, thank you so, so much. Remember, guys, Crafty Mama Whispers. So thank you so much for that. Actually, come on with me. Come with me. Come. And we'll go on this side first. So, you guys, I'm going to put it right there. So this is where I keep some of my purses. Okay. Baby Angel and I redid this area and made them one purse per shelf. It looks a lot neater. And this is my vanity. This is where I put all my makeup on and my skincare. I've tidied it up quite a bit. And then over here on this side, I'm just turning you, okay, is other purses. I'm just trying to get them all in. There we go. Yeah. So we have my purses. We have my angel picture. For those that are new, this is me. This is me. I went to Benz Gemz, and you can get your own purse made with your own saying. And this one is my favorite. Grow through what you go through. I'll show it to you here. And guys, it wasn't even that pricey, you know. It's real leather. Is it? No, I think it's not real leather. I think it's vegan leather. But it was like $70 with the shipping and everything. And you pick your picture from all the ones they have. You can choose sunglasses. You choose the hair color, the hair shape, everything. You pick your saying and you pick your name. And it's the same on both sides. So I really love this purse, actually. So we'll just put that up there. And we have our Carol Burnett and our Vicki Lawrence, the teapot, our cupcake purse, our angel purse that's made for our channel. That's Enchanted Wings, or Gothic Angel now, I think it's called. That one's Gothic Purple. Our Halloween one that Nikki gave me. Thank you very much, Nikki. My British purse is over here. And my Kate Spade Kisses purse that Uncle Angel gave me is over there. So I had to squish some things together. So guys, this is the big comfy couch. And I tell everyone you can sit on the arms. You can sit on the backs where you can, on the cushions. This is one of those couches that will last forever and was made to last forever. And the stuff on it right now is things I'm putting together to film another video. This is actually for my fragrance video. Now we have bookshelves, we have the desk, we have my hats. So come with me. That's it. Keep up. There you go. So this is my moon wall. I love my moons. And these ones are so cool. They actually came from Temu, but they're stuck up there with basically nail gel. You know, the gel tabs that you get for your false nails? They're up there. And they've been up there for 6-8 months. That one's up with nails because it holds a lot of my crystals. And I love my crystals. You guys know that. And there's some more crystals and gemstones. I have moons everywhere, guys. Here, I don't think yeah, there. So I have this moon as well. My Fairy Village plant. This is one my sister-in-law gave me. It looked a lot better before it fell. Candy's in here. Bless you, Candy. But I love this, and I use this sometimes when we do our story time, and I tell you fairy stories about people that live in this village. So I like that one very much. This is very special to me. My father gave this to my mom. I need my glasses to read it though. It's a paperweight, but it says, "Lord, help me to remember that nothing is going to happen to me today that you and I together can't handle. Mom was going through a hard time, so he gave this to her. And she kept it, and then when she passed, I kept it. So I like it very much. Plus, I love the blues, you know. And my Sephora candle, it's not a Sephora candle. I just call it that because it has the black and white stripes. It's like that purse up there. This one is there. I call that my Sephora purse too because of the black and white stripes too. And what else? My hats. So we have our fascinators are over here. See? I have a lot of fascinators actually. So here's 2 of them. There's one over here with my blue hat. I love my hats. You guys know that. What's that, sweetie? Well, actually, I have done a video about my hats. I did a hat store video. Yeah. I might do another one, actually. And here's my champagne one. And I got to tell you guys, I love these hats. And I got them on Amazon, and they were like 12 bucks. Yes, they took a little while to get here, but you go to a hat store, you're going to pay a lot more for those hats. But I love these hats for tea time videos too. I think that Baby Angel and I love to go to high tea. We love high tea. Maybe once a year we go. And we will wear these hats when we go. Trust me on that one. So over here, come. Oh, what's that? Okay, I can tell you about this. This is important to our family, so it stays up. That's my father-in-law's hard hat. He was a master drywaller and lather. He worked in construction. Now, anytime we go to put the Christmas decorations away, they're in a crawl space in the basement. Baby Angel wears that hat because she bangs her head every time. Baby Angel made that coat hanger hat hook. It's just a coat hanger, a wooden coat hanger you can get at the dollar store. Buy the cup hooks at the dollar store. You screw them in, paint it whatever you want, and your kids can give that as a Father's Day gift, as a birthday gift, whichever. My husband uses his to hold his belts. My father-in-law used his for his hats, and those are 3 of his hats. Okay. And then my bookcase, I love to do videos in front of this bookcase when I'm doing reading to you videos. So come. Candy, please. So this is my actual filming area. Okay, this is what I film in front of. There's my chair that I sit on. That frog Baby Angel gave me, and listen. Oh, I forget. There it is. How come it's not working? I'll play with it later, but it says, I love you, Mama, which makes me so happy. So what's that, sweetie? Oh, this is something, okay. If any of you know about this, could you let me know? I've been reading a lot on Botana oil, and it's really good for your hair. It helps your hair to get fuller and faster growing, and my hair has been crap lately. No matter what I use, it just looks dull and lifeless. So I'm actually going to be trying this, but if anyone knows about it, please let me know. I'd appreciate it. So I have my cherry blossoms. I love my cherry blossoms. That's the one that IB Wendy B gave me. My beautiful tumblers. I love my tumbler. This is the one Verna Creations made me, and Verna's daughter, who makes the lids, also has a channel, Verna ASMR. Let's see, Angel on My Shoulder ASMR, in all my favorite colors, I might add. And I love that the wings are rainbow. Here, I had it here, right? Okay, there we go. That's better. And my hearts to say love, because I love you guys. My crystal wand. This is the chakras, all done in the crystals. I love this one when we do our chakra. Oh, you know what? We should do a chakra clearing for 2025. Good idea. My dear friend gave me this one, and I have my hearts, my little lantern that I got that we found out is broken, my Angel on My Shoulder ASMR resin. I love this one so much. It's one of my favorites. And you guys know how much I love this one. Let's turn it on. My fireplace. I love my fireplace. and our LED ASMR sign. And these candles, I think, are so pretty. So yeah, that's, oh, my trolley, okay. Okay, the stuff down there is for Galentine's and a friend's birthday that's coming up. This is my trolley where I keep stuff for filming on it, and stuff, upcoming things. So yeah, there's that. And yeah, guys, this is my studio. So thank you for coming and looking at it with me. I really appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I kept you company while you were doing whatever you're doing. And please, guys, always, always remember this, that you matter to me, okay? You really matter. And I love you. I value you. I honor you. And I am so very, very glad that each and every one of you was born. And I pray for you too.